Hello everyone, I'm Deepa Balakrishnan. I'm the Product Manager for HID Linq. So we're really excited to offer our product from our Linq family, which is Linq Mobile. For those who are familiar with Reader Manager app, this is an evolution of the Reader Manager app, talking NFC and BLE to our Signo readers to manage them in the field for our customers. Unique thing about this app is that it is not just for Signo readers. It is a one app, one login for multiple reader types. We start with Signo readers and our sister product from IDT RFID, the OmniKey. So you use the same login as long as you're a reader technician who has access to the keys. You're able to manage Signo readers or your OmniKey readers for the same facility. The other unique factor about Linq Mobile that is an evolution again from Reader Manager is the concept of a virtual configuration card. For those who are familiar with the physical configuration card for our legacy readers, with Signo we discontinued having the physical configuration card because we wanted to do it digitally. Now with Linq Mobile we are able to actually offer a virtual configuration card. It's the same concept, you just have the card in your mobile device and you are able to search for configurations, save it in your mobile app, 20 at a time, maybe expanded to more in the future, select them and then apply it to readers. This gives a very fast turnaround for the configuration itself. Brings me to the performance of the app relative to configuring the readers through BLE and NFC. We have a target for about 50% performance improvement for firmware, and I'm glad to report that we have more or less met that. So this is going to make the firmware update go down from about 12 minutes that we have right now with Reader Manager to about roughly close to 6 minutes.